Hey guys, welcome back to Pure Accelerate 2019 Expo Floor, Stratoscale in the hall with John Mao. John, how are you and what is Stratoscale up to?
Stratoscale, we're actually here at Accelerate promoting our database as a service solution. So we built a software solution that's highly integrated with FlashArray. It brings a lot of the cloud operating model for databases, but into the enterprise data center for the first time.
Okay, you said a lot right there, and I have some questions for you because this is interesting. Database as a service in the data center, integrated with Pure technologies. Right. So let's step back a second. What databases are we talking about? What's the real value prop to customers?
Right. So I think a database as a service, if you think about the likes of Amazon and Google and Microsoft, they've been really innovative in kind of simplifying how users can access and consume these new database technologies. So It's not just the big traditional SQL databases anymore, but it's also the emerging, more modern NoSQL databases as well. Things like Cassandra and Mongo and Redis, but also open source SQL databases like Postgres, MySQL, and others. So a database as a service platform, it kind of encompasses all of those different technologies, and it gives it as a standardized offering. So why that's valuable is that now it makes it easy for application developers or users to consume. It's all fully self-provisioned by them. It also offloads a lot of the operations for the IT teams, because now all the things that you would normally have to do around management, backup, DR, config management, patching and upgrading, the platform, the as a service part, takes care of all of that as well. So.
Sure, and a lot of what you just said, all those databases that you went down, I'm sure that's any IT manager's project list has those databases listed on it, and he's trying to figure out who can manage these, who's the right DBA, how's that work, and it seems to me that you're just bringing that ability to do it as a service, so they can focus on applications and business.
That's exactly right. I mean, we have a lot of our customers on the IT side, they have this influx of demand from their users, right? The different lines of businesses, they want to use new kinds of technologies that may not be part of the standard offering out of IT traditionally. And so they don't have necessarily the skill set or the expertise to be able to do that. We kind of put all of the, put the admin, the DBA if you will, into the box, right? And it's something that now they can offer to their business as a managed offering, just like everything else, like email or like a traditional infrastructure solution. This is now an extension of their offering inside of the data center.
And it's inside of the customer's data center. So this is on-prem, bringing the experience of database as a service into their data center.
Right, exactly. So if you think about the public cloud, I mean, we're a big believer that the cloud is more of an experience, it's not like a location. So if you've seen now how the public cloud vendors have delivered and kind of changed how databases are delivered to the customer, we think we've encapsulated that, kind of put that into a little software package and allowed IT operators to now deploy that internally and give that same experience to their users.
Yeah, it's the concept you have there of zero ops.
Zero ops, that's right.
I love that capability. So where can a customer learn more about what you're doing, right? Obviously if they're here, hopefully they're swinging by, asking questions, because I love the database as a service. It's
we obviously Stratoscale.com is our website, there's a lot of information there. We have a couple of other solutions in our product line as well. We do the same thing for containers and open source Kubernetes, but also infrastructure as well. So we have a really unique infrastructure as a service solution too. And then obviously we've just recently joined the Pure TAP partner program, and we're now on the website as well there. You can find some information there, and we've got a ton of interesting integrations with the Pure FlashArray. We've heard great things. We have many joint customers already today that are seeing the tremendous value of both of our solutions together, and kudos to you guys, because all of our customers that are using Pure are huge fans, so it's a good testament to you guys.
We love that, thank you very much. And that's really about turnkey database platforms, when you can combine those two technologies.
Absolutely, we don't want, this is something you can deploy in a matter of hours and have a fully functional service offering in a couple of minutes after that. So we really want to make it simpler. We think it shouldn't be a myth. The cloud experience shouldn't be some mythical thing. It's not black magic. It's something that you can actually own and deploy inside of your own data center as well.
Yeah, I think you have some lifecycle automation that you play into there as well, right?
Yeah, so everything that we talked about, I mean, we leverage a lot of Pure FlashArray from a storage replication perspective, And we tie that functionality into a broader DR story for databases. So when you talk about automating disaster recovery for certain databases, we leverage obviously Pure Storage if it's available and deployed, ideally. And then we take care of the actual failing over from sites and multi-sites and so forth. So it's a great kind of integrated solution that we tell together, solving real customer problems.
And that's what it's all about for all of us, solving real customer problems. And thank you for your time. Thank you for being a partner. I look forward to learning more about Stratoscale, and I'm sure that our users do too. It was Stratoscale?
Stratoscale, S-T-R-A-T-O-S-C-A-L-E.
Okay.
And hopefully you guys have a link somewhere on your video.
I'm sure it's down here somewhere right now.
Very good, yeah.
Thank you guys, and we have more coming from the Expo Hall here at Accelerate 2019 soon. Thank you.